Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete DHgate account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find the options related with settings over here. In this interface, simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for delete my account just above the option for switch accounts. So simply tap on the option delete my account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you delete your account, you'll no longer be use the products or services of the DHgate. Your DHgate account will be deleted. In order to ensure that your account can be deleted successfully, make sure that all of your orders are deleted and no disputes are involved. Also make sure your DHP account has no available award. Simply tap on the option delete my account that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll have to confirm your deletion. If you delete your account, all your account information including your account title, name, address, website activity, etc. will be deleted within 15 days. Also read other informations carefully. Now tap on the confirm option that you can see at bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here DHgate has received the request to delete your data. You will be contacted through your email address within 2 business days. Simply wait for the email. Once your account is deleted, you'll be notified via email. So like this, you'll be able to delete the account. So that is how you delete DHgate account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.